What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope everybody's doing well. We're going to go over Vechain. Currently, it's up 18% on the trade. We're making some juicy profits. We're going to get into it. So we're sitting at 0.078. We're up 18%. Market cap 4.96 billion. 24-hour volume 2.58 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app and grab one of the incredible Visa cards, cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, depending on the level card that you have, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So here's a 4-hour time frame. We had 3 entries with our break even sitting at 0.068. So currently we are up on our trade here, basically about 13-14%. I did call a 50% exit here in the Discord. Let me just quickly pop it open. Hope you're well. Hope the pets are healthy. So close 75% of the vet trade, up 16%. First buy zone moved up to 0.73. We just made a bunch of juicy profits on quite a few altcoins, but we'll get into that at the end of the video. So we had 3 entries, break even 0.068, closed about 75% of my trade, and now my first buy zone is sitting at 0.070. So if it comes back down, I'll lock in the rest of those profits and instantly re-enter my trade. As a spot trader, equal amounts at each buy zone brings your average price down halfway each time. And if you're low leverage trading, I don't use more than 2x. You have to double your margin, 500, 500, 1,000, 2,000. But if you're spot trading, equal amounts, 500, 500, 500, brings your average price down halfway each time. Now you can see here we have a symmetrical triangle. We broke out. We met the technical target. We also had a beautiful double bottom. We are quite overbought, so I would expect some pullback would be healthy, or consolidation. I do think some pullback is more likely, but anything can happen. You can see right here we're creating higher highs, we're creating lower highs on the RSI, as well as money is flowing out. Early sign the bulls are running out of strength, so if we do see that pullback, we could see a nice bounce off our first entry at 0.070. We lock in the rest of our profits and we instantly re-enter our trade. So we're always in the trade maximizing profits. All right, guys, we'll pop over to our next chart here, which is on the daily time frame. So we're looking really healthy. We broke out of a double bottom. We met the technical target. As you can see here, we broke above the 55 EMA. We back tested as support and we just absolutely exploded back above the golden ratio, which is exactly what we want to see. I have a lady friend over. She's sitting on the deck, so she's probably like, what the fuck? The 200 EMA is acting as resistance right now. So if we hold the golden ratio of 0.072, that's when we can see the continuation all the way up to the previous high, coming in at about 10 cents, and then all the way up to the 1.272. You break above that, you head for the 1.618, which lines up with our technical target of this descending channel. As you can see here, we broke out, we fell back into the pattern, we broke out, back test, boom, explosion to the upside. So as long as we hold the golden ratio, higher likelihood you're coming all the way up to about 10 cents here. And then you can target the 1.618 extension, coming in at about 19 cents for vet. Now, if we do lose the golden ratio, I would watch these levels of support here, the 0.5, which is coming in at 0.064. And then what'll happen here is the EMAs will catch up on the daily. We see that back test of support and we see the continuation back to the upside. Extremely overbought on the daily. As you can see here on the RSI and the money flow, the last time we were this overbought was right here, and we saw a big move back down. So I would expect a move back down here would be healthy for vet. If it keeps exploding, the harder you pump, the steeper the correction. So we're going to quickly pop open the weekly time frame, see what we can see. So you can see here on the weekly, we came all the way back down to this previous swing low. We held it as support. The money flow came all the way back down to the bottom section. That's usually when you're going to see a bounce, and that's exactly what has happened here. The money flow came down, boom, huge bounce. So the last time the money flow was this low was right here, and we saw a massive push to the upside for vet of 2,500%. Absolutely insane, 25x. So right now we're hitting resistance of the weekly EMAs. As you can see here, the 20, the 55 are acting as resistance. If we get back above them, we have the bullish cross. The last time we had the bullish cross, oh, you can't really see it on this chart here, but a massive sign of strength if we get back above the EMAs on the weekly time frame. Then we can see a huge push back to the upside. We can also use a Fibonacci. Let me quickly pull this out here. We can take a Fibonacci from this previous swing high all the way down to the swing low. So right now we're coming up to test the 0.5. We get back above the golden ratio sitting at 10 cents. You can come all the way up to where you started at about 19 cents. Target the 1.618 for your next impulsive wave. Take you up to about 50 cents for a vet from the current price. That's a juicy appreciation here of about 500%. Nothing is promised in the crypto space. Bitcoin could go through that dead cat bounce scenario and of course pull the altcoins down with it. But in the short term, the resistance we want to watch here is sitting right around 7 to about 8 cents, which are the EMAs here on the weekly. The daily time frame, we are quite overbought, so we need to see some consolidation or some pullback. Definitely would be healthy to come back down here to the EMAs, hold them as support, come back down on the RSI as well as the money flow to a healthy range, and then see continuation back to the upside. If we do continue to pump, your next levels of resistance, 0.087. Let me pull these over a little bit. 0.095. You can see right here, previous level of resistance, previous support, and 0.95. Previous resistance in this area and quite a lot of support in this area. So those will be your next levels of resistance. But I do think pullback is more likely, and our first buy zone is sitting at 0.070. Our next buy zone is here at 0.059. Equal amounts at each buy zone brings your average price down halfway each time. You get ready to ride the slingshot back up. Big shout out to the Discord, over 1,800 members. We have the DCA charts. We just made profits on XRP, VET, MANA, ADA. So if you want to trade with us, the DCA trade strategy is fully explained. It's a no-fail strategy with spot. With leverage trading, of course, trade at your own risk. Don't recommend more than 1 to 2x leverage. And we have buy and take profit zones if you're looking for support resistance to take profits to enter into trades, or you're looking to dollar cost average price of a coffee. 1,800 members, day traders. We have swing traders. We have investors talking all things crypto, posting chart patterns. And if you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit. $4,100 in bonuses for a limited time. That's it for this one. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.